Polytechnic University is very pleased to present the Future City competition again this year in partnership with the American Society of Civil Engineers Metropolitan Section. You may wonder what the advantage is to us. Well, we get a chance to meet 7th and 8th graders at a very early and impressionable stage and build interest in engineering for the future, and some of these young people may get to be our own students. Through the Future City competition, these young people will have an opportunity to learn to improve their skills on the computer. They develop three-dimensional models ultimately after having researched land use issues as well as environmental issues, and then they get a chance to hone their presentation skills by defending their conceptions before panels of experts, including professors and other engineering professionals. When we conduct this competition, these young people get a chance to meet one another and to be encouraged to study math and science in high school and in college, and ultimately think about career choices. Students who are winners, and that includes all students, are divided into varying categories. For the first place winners, they qualify for a $20,000 scholarship at Poly upon enrollment at the school if they are accepted. And for the second place winners, it's an $8,000 scholarship, and for the third place winners, it's a $4,000 scholarship. So there are tangible prizes as well as plaques and other trophies for winners in special categories as well as the top winners. And the first place team goes on as New York City's representative to the American Society of Civil Engineering sponsored national competition for Future Cities, which is held in Washington, D.C. during National Engineers Week.
Kids to see what engineering really is about. It's not just books and calculations, it's more of ideas and creativity.
There's many things in the city.
The casino, our beach hotel.
The magnetic field, which protects our city.
It's like there's gonna be a lot of traffic. We use like hover cars so people can go like everywhere, and so traffic would decrease.
There's a forest over there. It's environmental. We have theme parks.
I work for New York City Transit. I did graduate from Polytechnic University.
Things they do learn is a love for science and engineering, and they really, first it starts out as a game, and then all of a sudden they realize they have to make dimensions, and they really have to think about the engineering part of what they're doing. It's no longer a game anymore.
The good angle I feel about this competition, it starts you off with the computer program called SimCity, and you know every kid loves computers, computer games. You get them hooked onto that, and then from there on, they have to build a model based on their computer city.
It's really great to see the creativity presented in the models, especially when you're a practicing engineer and you're so rooted in reality. Just see the freshness of ideas that these kids bring to the table.
Future Cities competition is a great way to foster the engineering skills such as teamwork, communication, and problem-solving skills. It provides interaction among students, teachers, and engineer mentors. It informs the community about multidisciplines within the engineering profession.
There was actually a lot of arguing, but what we found out is it always turned out well in the end.
All about a city. It makes up the infrastructure of a city. Like the commercial, the residential, the industrial, taxes, how much it costs to build a city. And we learned how to work like a team, even though we had our differences.
We learned about fuel cells, we learned about kilowatts.
I want to work in like creating computer hardware, motherboards, hard drives, RAM, everything, all the parts of the computer.
The teachers, they really pushed us to work harder, and that was actually making it more fun for us.
I would definitely do it again. It was fun.
We should thank all the students, the teachers, the mentors, the judges, the volunteers, the organizers, Polytechnic University, and all the sponsors. I think we should give them all a round of applause.